I am Sahil Gurati, founder of Yoga Niyam Academy. Welcome to our channel. So in this video, I will tell you about meditation. Many of students, they call me and they ask me how to do the meditation. Many aspirant, many practitioners, they ask me this question. Now, the problem is when we go to somewhere for any yoga course or to any retreat or any program, they have very short time. So it's not mistake of the teacher, because whenever we start meditation, we don't get the time to prepare ourselves. And as many of us knows that meditation is a part of Ashtanga yoga, but there are also many steps to reach towards meditation. Okay, Ashtanga, 8 ang. So yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahar, dhana, dhyan, and then samadhi. So meditation comes on the seventh number. Seventh stage is meditation, dhyana. So what is concentration, dharana? Before that, to understand, to start concentrating on something, to start applying any technique to reach towards meditation, we need to start with some asana practices, pranayam practices. We need to prepare ourselves. Asana will help us to keep our spine straight, so we can sit for longer duration during the meditation. And pranayam will increase our lung capacity, so we can even increase our metabolic rate and decrease whenever we require. After that, what we need to do, we need to learn the pratyahara technique. Pratyahara means the senses control. So people will ask how we can control the senses. This comes with the regular practice. Now some of the people, they have very sensitive nose. So when someone cook at the home, they feel irritation while breathing. They feel irritated. They get sweat. So these kind of things happen. Someone has allergy with the sensitive eye. Someone has something. Our mind is also run outside. So our senses always run outward in the external world. So how we can teach our each and every sense to explore inward. So this is the learning that we should start before practicing meditation. And after that, we should start dharana. Dharana means the concentration techniques. We need to start with that. So there are many methods all around the world. And with that dharana technique, we reach towards the meditation. And remember, no one can teach the meditation. Meditation is a stage, is not a practice. So meditation is just a stage that we need to reach, and after that we go towards samadhi, the liberation, the final state of Ashtanga yoga, Raj yoga. Now when the people, they start, because as I told you, people, they have very less time to teach, especially gurus, teachers, they have very less time. So we don't get the time to prepare ourselves, and each and every individual has different mentality, different state of mind. So this is how we need to basically prepare ourselves for that, to reach and to start meditation. Now when we start meditation, we need to see the environment. Right now I'm sitting in a garden. It's a quiet place where you can also hear the chirping of the birds behind me. And this natural environment help us to meditate. So first point is the place. It should be really good. We need to choose a really good place to practice meditation. For the pratyahara, we need the silent place as well in the beginning to prepare ourselves until we get the senses control. Suppose I am sitting here in a garden. I am completely new, completely beginner, and I want to meditate. Now if I will sit like this, I will hear the bird sounds, I will hear the people sounds, someone is laughing, someone is something. So these sounds will disturb us. Okay, it will disturb me. So when this will disturb me, how we can stop this to disturb ourselves? How we can turn our senses inward? Now you will understand that why we require the pratyahara. We need to learn the sensing control. So it doesn't matter, even someone is playing music just beside you, you should not react. And this, we react on the small things. And when we learn this pratyahara technique, it will be a wonderful experience that you will be able to control your senses, and you will draw your senses inward, and you will prepare yourself for the practice of meditation. If you want to learn meditation, we are running the special courses. I just released one more special 5 days program is Aghori meditation, and also there are Tantric meditation, Kundalini meditation, Kriya yoga, and many other programs as well. So we are running more than 20 yoga courses in our Yoga Niyam Academy. You are most welcome. If you are interested to learn asana to prepare yourself for pranayam and mudra bandha, you are also welcome to join our private class or our group class. Our group timing is 6 a.m. And 5 p.m. IST Indian timing. So you can also contact us to join our group class, or you can book your private class to learn about deeply about these things. So I hope you like this video, and this video is also available in Hindi. I hope you will go. If you don't understand this, so please watch the video. I will copy the link into the description. Please go and watch that video. Namaste.